Hello everyone, it's Avanti here from Avanti's Tutorials. I really thank all of you for your huge support. The way you all are supporting me, it really matters a lot. Your support means like everything for me. It is creating an enthusiasm for me that I should keep on uploading more and more videos. Before I start, I request all the new viewers, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And the old ones also, as well as new ones, if possible, I request humbly, please keep my channel link as your social media status so that it will help the children across the world, those who need the help. As it's a free tutorial, let everybody take advantage of it. Today I will be continuing with square roots. Previous video already I have uploaded for squares. Squares and square roots. It's a combined topic for class 8 CBSE mathematics. Squares already I have done with. Today I will move on with square roots. Before I move on with square roots, I just want to recall what is square. A square is a number which is multiplied by itself 2 times. Now how to find a square root? To find square root we have two methods with us. One is prime factorization and another is long division method. Prime factorization means which? For that particularly you should know what is a prime number. Before I start, again I request all of you, please keep on liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Your one click matters a lot. And if you're subscribing it, if you subscribe it, it helps you as and when I keep on uploading the new videos. So, square roots. This is a notation of a square root. So, two methods, prime factorization and long division. Before I move with prime factorization, I would like to let you know what is a prime factor. A number multiplied by itself and 1 is known as, a number divisible by 1 and itself is known as a prime number. A number which is divisible by 1 and itself is known as a prime number. Now, prime factorization method is useful for all the numbers, more than 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. But what happens once you move on towards 2 digit? It becomes time consuming. Prime factorization ही मेथड सगळ्याच नंबर्सना वापरता येते, पण दोन अंकांपेक्षा मोठा नंबर आला की मग कॅल्क्युलेशन्स वाढतात, वेळही वाढतो, उत्तरही मिळतं, पण मग वेळ वाढतो. मग कमी वेळात ॲक्युरेट उत्तरासाठी आपण जात असतो लॉंग डिव्हिजन मेथडकडे. तर आधी आपण बघूया प्राइम फॅक्टरायझेशन. सो फॉर प्राइम फॅक्टरायझेशन लेट्स फाइंड आउट स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 25. Let's find out square root of 25. So for this, what children they do is they write the prime factors vertically or as horizontally. So this is 25 means, yes, of course it's an odd number. So you will divide this with odd prime, that is 5. In 5's table, 25 lies at 5th place. Now again this 5 is divisible by 5 and 1. Therefore, what are the multiples of 25 now? 5 into 5. So, square root of 25 becomes, for one pair you write 1, that is 5. So, square root of 25 is 5. Some children what they'll do is they'll directly write horizontally. But as it's a small number 25 and only two prime factors are there, this becomes, or this is occupied in small space. But if the number is more, then horizontally it gets lengthy and confusing also. So better you should go with this so that it helps in division also. I'll take another example. If I want to find a square root of 625, again as it is an odd number, I'll divide this by odd prime, that is 5. 5 ones are 5. You will divide this number by 5 and quotient you will write here. And will keep on dividing unless and until you get last number as 1. That is the complete division. Complete division means first number should be completely divisible by the previous prime factor and last prime factor you must get as 1. So 5 ones are 5, remains 1, 12. 5 twos are 10, and then 5 fives are 25. Again, is it divisible? Yes, it's divisible by 5. 5 twos are 5 fives are. Then again 5, 5. This 5 and now 1. So what are the prime factors? Actually, directly you should not write. In most schools and children also directly write this. I don't believe in. First you should write here properly. Prime factors of what? 625 equals to, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And therefore, then you mention square root of 625 will be what? For this one pair, 1, 5. And for this another pair, 1. And then 5 5s are 25. So square root of 625 is 25. Square root of 625 is 25. Now same, we have gone with this lengthy one. Similarly, you can find the square root of this also by using long division method. This is little easy, so fine, okay, no problem. But if we go with 4-digit number, 3-digit, how? Same, I'll show you how it becomes easy. If I want to find a square root of 1225, if I want to find the square root of 1225, now no doubt I can find it by prime factorization, but it will be little lengthy. So what I'll do is I'll use long division method now. I'll use long division method. Now what is this long division? Actually long division means it's a division only. The name itself indicates. So what you have to do is you have to write that square number. And after writing from your right to left, be careful, the viewers, especially the children, you have to move on from your right to left. You have to put a bar. Bar means a horizontal line on two numbers. Means you have to group the given digits in groups of twos. I repeat, दिलेले digit, दिलेला number नाही, number मधले अंक, number मधील अंक तुम्हाला दोन दोनच्या ग्रुप मध्ये करावे लागतील, राईट टू लेफ्ट. कधी कधी असं होईल की इकडे कुठेतरी शेवटला एकच नंबर राहील, एकच डिजिट राहील, एकच अंक, तर त्याला एकच राहू द्यायचं. पण सुरुवात नेहमी राईट टू लेफ्टने करायची. देन राईट दिस. आणि मग हा टोटल 2 डिजिट तयार झालेला नंबर पकडायचा आणि त्यात तो एक्झॅक्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर आहे का ते पाहायचं. नसेल तर त्याच्याहून छोटा परफेक्ट स्क्वेअर शोधायचा. The given number you have to pair it in group in terms of pairs. The given number you have to group in terms of pairs. P-A-I-R, pair itself, it means that two, always a pair means. But you have to group them in pairs from your right to left. Sometimes it may happen when you move towards or extreme left. At last the digit may be alone. Let it be, leave it, doesn't matter. Once you group them in pairs, you have to start from left to right now for calculating. Grouping should be from right to left, but calculation should be from left to right. Now I have 12 with me. So first I'll check either 12 is a perfect square or no. No, 12 is not perfect square. Now how I came to know? Because I'm into this profession since long years, so many years. You have to learn the squares. Children must learn the squares at least till 30. Okay, it's not a perfect square. Now what to do? You have to take a perfect square number which is less than this. Same like division. In division also what we do is we check either that number lies in that particular table, in dividends table, right? If it is not, then you take the smaller number, any smaller. But here it's not any. Here it should be a perfect square which is smaller than this. So square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9, and square of 4 is 16. Now 16 is greater than 12. So I'll go with square of 3. So I'll write here 3, 3s are 9, and same number I'll add here. So this 3 plus 3 is 6, and 12 minus 9, this is 3. And now you have to take this complete pair down, 25. Not 2, not 5 alone. Complete 25. This has become now 325. This has become now 325. But here now what you have to do is, in front of 6, when you write some number, that number should be exactly either this number or is lesser than this. You have to keep on checking. For checking also and to save your time also, you use this trick. In its ones place, what is here? 5. 5 is what? An odd number. So here also keep on substituting odd numbers and keep on checking in rough. If it is even number here, you can check with even. Now this is 5. So best option I would suggest you is you can go with 5 directly. So suppose I write here 5 in front of 6. If I write 5, it becomes 5. And the number which or the digit which you are writing here, same digit you have to write here. So suppose I write here 5. This also 5. So it means that 65 into 5. And check in rough. Does it give you 325 or no? 5 5s are 25 carries 2. 6 5s are 30 plus 2, 32. Yes, it's giving. So fine. So once place digit, checking, verification matters a lot. It saves your time. So 65 into 5, this is given you 325, and same 5 you have to add here and subtract. Now don't write 3 zeros, only 1, and this is 70. Now why we do this? This is your cross verification. Whatever you got the number over here, that number is half of this, or else this addition is twice this. And this is the square root now. So square root of 1225, that is 1225 is 35, and double of 35 is 70. So whatever number you are getting here, if it is double of this is double of that particular number, then your answer is correct. This ultimately means parallelly your cross verification also happens here unknowingly. Okay, so please do watch this video once again carefully so that it helps for a long division. Usually what children they do is they find it little difficult. Why? Finding here perfect square number and that here what number is to be written, because they forget that whatever digit they are writing here, that is to be written here, and once you write one digit here, it becomes a 2-digit number, and if it's 2-digit, then it becomes 3-digit. And this complete number is to be multiplied with the next digit individually. Sometimes in hurry, what you do is you make it 65 into 35 also at times. So don't do that, please. So finally, what you should write is then therefore square root of 1225 is 35. Within 2 steps. Note down, you can find its square root with prime factors also, or by prime factorization method, but it will be more time consuming. I hope I made it very much useful. So before I conclude, please keep on liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Your subscription means a lot. Those who have already subscribed, I request all of them, please pass on my link towards your friends. It means a lot for me. Thank you. Thank you so much.